Today's topic is the skeletal structure of bones in humans and other animals. Humans and some animals have skeletons inside their bodies. Can you guess what the animal below is? That is right. It is a cat. Our skeletons are made of bones. Bones are rigid, white structures found within the skeletons of humans and some other animals. Let's learn the names of some of the bones in our body. The skull is inside our head and protects our brain. The vertebrae go down our neck and our back. They are joined together to make the spine. The spine has two main functions. It supports our skull and helps us to stand straight and sit up straight. It protects the spinal cord. The spinal cord carries messages to our brain. This is the spinal cord inside the spine. The shoulder blades are inside our shoulders. They are called the scapula. The ribs make up the rib cage. It is inside your chest and protects your heart and lungs. There are many bones in your arms. The humerus, ulna, and radius are in our arms. Our finger bones are called the metacarpal and phalanges, your fingers. The pelvis is around our hips. It supports your spine and the organs in your abdomen. The femur is in the thigh. It is your thigh bone. It makes up your upper leg. The femur is the longest and strongest bone in your body. The patella is in the knee. It is a kneecap, and behind it is the knee joint. There are many parts to the knee. The tibia and fibula are in our shins. They make up our lower leg. The tibia is the thicker bone on the inside, and the fibula is the smaller bone on the outside. 1/4 of your bones are in your feet. Your ankles are called tarsals. The feet bones are called metatarsals, and your toes are called phalanges. Yes, just like your fingers. Vertebrates have skeletons inside their bodies that are similar to the bones in a human skeleton. These include the skulls, spine, ribs, and pelvis. There are some differences between the bones of some animals. For example, birds have wings, elephants have tusks, and frogs have long legs. Our skeletons grow as we get older. They grow at different rates. This is because bone is actually living tissue that is always renewing itself, multiplying and expanding up to a certain age. So, do we really need a skeleton? Yes. We need our skeletons to support and protect our bodies. Skeletons give humans and animals their shape and frame. We can tell what we are looking at because of its shape. Without a skeleton, there would only be a bag of skin on the floor with all of the soft inner parts. The function of the skeleton is to support our bodies, allow us to move, and to protect the organs inside our bodies, like our heart, our lungs, and our brain. The bones of the skeleton are very hard, but sometimes they can break. Breaks in the bones are called fractures. We use X-rays to see fractures. Broken bones are put back into place by a doctor and held firmly in a cast until they get better. Well done. Try answering the quiz to see if you can remember what you have just learnt. Your challenge this week is to practice learning the names of your skeletal structure with your friends or siblings.